Sounds good, huh? Okay, let's just go with Kaspa. So Kaspa against BTC. Okay, Kaspa has been on a absolute bull run by itself. Sure, there were also deep corrections along the way, right? But there is always a price to pay when you do things like this. There's always a price to pay, right? How much did we drop? 59%. How much did we drop? 68%. How much did we drop? 30%. So it's not much yet. So eventually, right? Eventually, all coins will come back under the skinny pink line. Altcoins, okay, I'm talking about altcoins. Even Bitcoin has already gone under the skinny pink line, right, during bear trends. So for Kaspa, one fine day, Kaspa is still going to come back under the skinny pink line. Now the only question is when. When? Let me give you a very good example, right? Chainlink. When Chainlink burst into the scene, right? Okay, you don't see, now it's already down. When Chainlink burst into the scene, way back over here, I mean, it was like, holy shit, you know, Chainlink has been on a absolute run, crazy bull run from the very bottom to the very top, right? It's just like, you feel like it's just up and up and up only, right? Just corrections here and there, but it keeps going up and up and up and up. So it'd be like, oh my god, Chainlink is just absolutely insane, right? It's a good project, yes, helmed by a good leader in my opinion, but again, like all things, it will still come back under the skinny pink line. So what happened? Yeah, we came back. And you see, deep correction. We had a very deep correction for Chainlink. So for Kaspa, one fine day, it's going to still come back under the skinny pink line. It's not going to be going up forever. Nothing goes up forever. Eventually, it will still see a deep correction. Now the only question is when. So be careful, you know, because I've seen Kaspa being mentioned a lot on crypto Twitter, yeah, it's if we see high quality chart patterns, you know, then sure, yeah, you could put you can take trades for it. But until that happens, nope, absolutely not. You also have to be aware and you got to know what you're doing, right? For Kaspa USD, same thing. It's just up only, up and 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 up. So when is the correction coming? We don't know. If and when we cross the skinny pink line again, it's just gonna be like Chainlink, very deep correction, because we never really truly experienced any true correction for Kaspa yet. So Kaspa has just been up and up and up and up and up and up. So yeah, you gotta be careful. And I'm gonna give you another very good example. Thorchain, right? You look at it on the USD pair. Thorchain, when it burst into the scene, right, it went up and up and up and up and up and up. You know, you'd be like, what? Yeah, it went up and up and up for 598 days. There's almost 2 years, right? About 100 days short of 2 years. 3-4 months short of 2 years. But it's still insane, right? What an insane run. How much did we rise? 2000x, which is 234%, which means that if you had 1,000 at the bottom, you'll be a millionaire at the top. Absolute giga millionaire. But yeah. Anyway, I think Thorchain is potentially about to head higher, because if you look at Thorchain, right, it's a beautiful ABCD. Anyway, we'll talk about Thorchain some other day. And yeah, so Kaspa, you want to be very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Kaspa.